Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Indian Cookbook is probably one of the most versatile and comprehensive guides to vegetarian Indian cooking you'll ever find, taking you on a culinary journey through the diverse regional cuisines of India, from the vibrant spices of the south to the hearty flavors of the north, and packed with authentic recipes, beautiful photos, and helpful tips and techniques to make even the most complex dishes approachable for home cooks of all levels, whether you're a seasoned chef or a complete beginner. Number 5. Vegan RICHA'S Indian Kitchen. Welcome to a world of vibrant flavors and exciting aromas. Get ready to explore the magic of Indian cuisine, reimagined for the modern vegan home cook. It offers a collection of classic Indian dishes, lovingly adapted to be completely plant-based. Each recipe is a testament to the rich heritage of Indian cooking. But it's not just about tradition, it also features innovative and creative recipes. Expect familiar favorites with exciting new twists and unexpected flavor combinations. Even if you're a beginner in the kitchen, you'll find the recipes easy to follow. Clear instructions and helpful tips ensure delicious results every time. This cookbook is more than just recipes, it's a celebration of the vibrant and diverse world of vegan Indian cuisine. It's an invitation to create, savor, and share. It provides recipes for everyday meals and special occasions. Whether it's a quick weeknight dinner or a celebratory feast, it has something for everyone. What we like? It features a wide array of delicious vegan Indian dishes. If you're looking for exciting plant-based twists on classic recipes, this cookbook is perfect for you. The creative approach makes it ideal for both experienced and novice cooks. What people say. The size of the book is very practical, not huge like some of my cookbooks but large enough to make the pictures and text very easy to read and interpret. Organization is very important with any cookbook. From the standpoint of technique, I think this is where this book really shines. The recipes are clear, concise, and well organized. The photographs are appetizing and inspiring. RICHA gives preparation choices, always allowing you to make recipes low-fat and healthy. The flavors are just fabulous. Number 4. Vegan RICHA'S Indian Kitchen. Get ready to explore a world of delicious and accessible Indian vegan cuisine. This cookbook is your guide to creating traditional and creative dishes right in your own kitchen. It features classic recipes passed down through generations, ensuring an authentic taste of India. Each dish is made with love and care, using fresh, high-quality ingredients. But it's not just about tradition. It also offers innovative vegan adaptations of beloved Indian dishes. It shows you how to make familiar favorites plant-based without sacrificing flavor. The recipes are designed for home cooks of all skill levels. Clear instructions and helpful tips make even the most complex dishes achievable. Embark on a culinary adventure with this cookbook. It's more than just recipes, it's a celebration of Indian vegan cuisine and a chance to create unforgettable meals. Discover new flavors and techniques. This cookbook will inspire you to experiment in the kitchen and create your own delicious vegan Indian masterpieces. What we like? It offers a fantastic collection of vegan Indian recipes. If you enjoy exploring diverse flavors and textures, this cookbook will be a great addition to your kitchen. Its creative recipes are perfect for those who want to experiment with vegan Indian cuisine. What people say. The size of the book is very practical, not huge like some of my cookbooks but large enough to make the pictures and text very easy to read and interpret. Organization is very important with any cookbook. From the standpoint of technique, I think this is where this book really shines. The recipes are clear, concise, and well organized. The photographs are appetizing and inspiring. RICHA gives preparation choices, always allowing you to make recipes low-fat and healthy. The flavors are just fabulous. Number 3. Instant Pot Vegetarian Indian Cookbook. Discover a world of flavor with this amazing cookbook. It's your key to creating delicious and healthy vegetarian Indian dishes in a fraction of the time. This cookbook offers 75 traditional Indian vegetarian recipes, all adapted for your Instant Pot. Get ready to explore a diverse range of culinary delights. It simplifies the cooking process. You'll find that making authentic Indian food is easier than you ever thought possible. Save valuable time in the kitchen. It's designed to help you prepare meals quickly, without sacrificing flavor. Focus on healthy eating. It emphasizes fresh ingredients and simple techniques to create nutritious and satisfying meals. Each recipe includes clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Even beginners can confidently create restaurant-quality dishes. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, it provides the perfect guidance and inspiration. Enjoy the journey of Indian vegetarian cooking. What we like. This cookbook focuses on making traditional Indian vegetarian dishes in a flash using your Instant Pot. If you're short on time but still want delicious, healthy meals, this is the cookbook for you. It simplifies the cooking process without sacrificing flavor. What people say. The directions are very clearly laid out and tough to do incorrectly. Trust me, if I can successfully prepare this book's tasty recipes, so can you. I've made 10 dishes so far and really liked them all. As with all Indian recipes, lots of spices are required, so if you don't already do a lot of Indian cooking, you may have to take a trip to your local Indian store for dry goods. More than worth it. Very easy to make too. The flavors are well balanced and not super spicy. Spice levels are easy to adjust up to taste. Unlike some reviewers, I really appreciate that many of the recipes are scaled for 2 people. This single person would not really want endless leftovers, no matter how delicious the dish. The photos are lovely. I am giving it 4 stars instead of 5 simply because, yes, the index is a bit wonky and hard to follow. And there are just 75 recipes. Number 2. Vegetarian India Cookbook. Embark on a culinary adventure through the heart of India. This cookbook unveils the secrets to authentic vegetarian home cooking. It's more than just recipes, it's a journey through diverse regional cuisines and tastes. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds. Each recipe is designed for ease and simplicity, ensuring delicious results even for beginner cooks. Get ready to impress your friends and family. It offers a wide array of dishes, perfect for everyday meals or special occasions. Find the perfect recipe for any mood or event. This cookbook is your passport to the vibrant world of Indian vegetarian cuisine. Let it be your trusted companion in the kitchen. Discover the time-tested recipes passed down through generations. It captures the true essence of Indian home cooking. What we like. It takes you on a culinary journey through the best of Indian home cooking. If you appreciate authentic flavors and a wide range of dishes, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want to explore the diversity of Indian vegetarian cuisine. What people say. This is an excellent cookbook for home cooks of all levels. Straightforward recipes that are easy to interweave with other types. Each recipe has a paragraph or 2 explaining what the recipe is like and where it comes from. These descriptions help me choose what to cook. Each recipe's introduction also includes some suggestions about other dishes to serve alongside it to turn it into a full meal, add a chutney or flatbread, or serve it over rice, or serve it next to a cauliflower dish or with a dal, etc. I appreciate these suggestions very much. The recipes are usually on just 1 page, so there's no need to turn pages. Each one has an informative introductory paragraph at the top, ingredients on the left, and step-by-step instructions in numbered paragraphs in the middle of the page. This makes it very easy to follow the recipes, especially when moving quickly around a kitchen. Number 1. Plant-based India recipes. Embark on a culinary journey through India, exploring delicious and nutritious plant-based recipes. Get ready to savor authentic flavors, reimagined. Discover the heart of Indian cuisine with time-honored ingredients, prepared in exciting new ways. It's a celebration of taste and tradition. Experience the explosion of colors and aromas as you explore the diverse range of vegetables and spices. Each dish tells a story. It offers a wide variety of dishes, from hearty curries to fluffy breads. There's something for everyone to enjoy. These recipes are designed to be simple and accessible, even for beginner cooks. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create these masterpieces. This collection brings the vibrant flavors of India right to your kitchen. Prepare to be transported. What we like. This cookbook is filled with healthy and delicious plant-based Indian recipes. If you are looking for nourishing and wholesome meals rooted in tradition, this cookbook is a must-have. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals who love Indian food. What people say. The recipes are absolutely delicious. They are well written and accurate, which is not always the case in cookbooks. I have made several of the recipes and every one has been delicious. The butternut squash and mushroom biryani is amazing. I made it for the first time and I plan to have that as my go-to meal for Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. As other reviewers note, the recipes are complex and it takes some work to find ingredients. But the food is so good, the investment seems minor. After cooking a couple of recipes, it seems a no-brainer that now we will simply have to be regulars at the specialty Indian grocery store. There are a lot of ingredients and steps, but if you're a halfway decent home cook, this book will likely set you up for success beyond your expectations. And, as many have noted, the photography is stunning. The pictures are outstanding and the instructions are clear and easy to follow. And, the recipes are outstanding. But you need access to an Indian grocer for all the ingredients and spices. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.